The 2026 Lance 1172 truck camper is considered one of the flagship models in the Lance lineup and is designed for travelers who want a large, comfortable camper that fits in the bed of a heavy-duty pickup truck. This model stands out because of its spacious design, high-quality construction, and modern camping features. It is especially popular among RV enthusiasts who want the flexibility of a truck camper but still expect the comfort of a small motorhome. One of the most impressive features of the Lance 1172 is its double slide-out design. When both slides are extended, the interior becomes significantly larger and provides a very open living area. The dinette slide and the rear sofa slide create a roomy environment that allows multiple people to move comfortably inside the camper. This layout makes it feel much bigger than a typical slide-in camper. The sleeping arrangements in the Lance 1172 are designed for families or small groups. The cab-over section includes a residential queen mattress positioned north-south, which makes it easier to get in and out of bed. In addition, the dinette and sofa areas can convert into extra beds, allowing the camper to sleep about 5 to 6 people depending on the configuration. Inside the camper, the kitchen area is well equipped for extended travel. It includes a large refrigerator, a 3-burner cooktop, microwave or convection cooking options, and a deep sink with a pull-out faucet. Solid surface countertops and practical storage cabinets help make meal preparation easier, even when camping in remote locations. The bathroom is another highlight of this camper. Unlike many smaller truck campers, the Lance 1172 features a full dry bath with a separate shower and toilet area. This design improves comfort and convenience, especially during longer trips where a spacious bathroom becomes important. From a construction standpoint, the Lance 1172 is built using aluminum-framed walls, laminated fiberglass exterior panels, and block foam insulation. These materials help improve durability while also keeping the camper relatively lightweight for its size. The camper also includes an all-weather package, which allows it to be used in both hot and cold climates. The technical specifications of the Lance 1172 show that it is one of the larger truck campers on the market. It has an overall length of about 20 feet 4 inches and a floor length of 11 feet 11 inches. The dry weight is roughly 4,063 pounds, and it includes water tanks with capacities of 42 gallons fresh water, 35 gallons gray water, and 35 gallons black water. Modern technology features are also included in the 2026 model. Owners can add solar panels, lithium battery systems, backup cameras, and smart TVs. These options allow the camper to support off-grid camping for longer periods while still providing modern conveniences and entertainment. Overall, the 2026 Lance 1172 is a premium truck camper designed for travelers who want maximum comfort in a slide-in camper format. Its spacious double-slide layout, strong construction, and well-equipped interior make it a great choice for extended road trips and outdoor adventures. While it requires a heavy-duty long bed truck to carry its weight, the experience it offers is closer to a luxury RV than a traditional truck camper.